This is Amazon's only 5-star rated air fryer. Is it worth the hype, or is it just another trendy gadget? Let's find out. I've tested the COSORI TurboBlaze 6 quart for the past few weeks, and I made 3 real meals in it to find out. Let's dive in. What makes the TurboBlaze stand out is its DC motor. Most air fryers use AC motors, but this one has a direct current motor with a 5-speed fan system. That means faster cooking, better energy efficiency, and more control over airflow. And you can hear it, or actually not hear it, because it's noticeably quieter while running. It's engineered for both speed and balance. It's got 11 one-touch presets including air fry, bake, broil, roast, reheat, and even dehydrate. The control dial is responsive, easy to read, and lets you fine-tune time and temperature manually. The 6-quart basket is non-stick, dishwasher safe, and roomy enough to fit a whole full chicken or a family-sized batch of wings. Plus, the whole unit has a modern matte finish that doesn't scream appliance. The TurboBlaze also connects to the VeSync app. It's optional but cool, especially if you like guided recipes, nutritional tracking, or adjusting settings remotely from your phone. Not a must-have, but a nice bonus for smart kitchen fans. Let's get into the food. First up, crispy wings. I ran these on air fry mode at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. No flipping, skin got super crispy, meat stayed juicy, and the cleanup way easier than deep frying or even oven baking. It also didn't smoke up my kitchen, which some cheaper models tend to do. Next, gold potato wedges. I didn't soak them, just seasoned, tossed in oil, and air fried for 16 minutes. Results: crisp edges and soft centers, exactly what I want from homemade fries. I use gold potatoes. They're creamier inside than russet, so if you get the outer crisp right, it's game over. I didn't parboil or pre-soak them either. These came out golden and crispy on the outside, fully cooked and moist inside. That fan system really distributes heat evenly, so I didn't get any dry spots or weird edges. You could easily make dinner in this thing. Finally, I did skin-on chicken thighs, roast mode at 375. These came out golden and crispy on the outside, fully cooked and moist inside. That fan system really distributes heat evenly, so I didn't get any dry spots or weird edges. This chicken honestly took zero effort. I just hit it with some basic spices and tossed it in. No marinade, no foil, no mess. Roast mode at 375. And 20 minutes later, it was done. Skin crisped up. This kind of baked chicken used to take me 45 minutes in the oven and way more cleanup. This made it a snap. Compared to the oven, you're skipping the 10-minute preheat and the 30-minute wait. It's ready in seconds and done faster. So here's what I really like about this air fryer. It's fast, it's quiet, and it's consistent. But honestly, cleanup might be the best part. The basket's non-stick, no foil needed, and most of the time I just rinse it and wipe it down. No greasy trays, no crusted over pans, and I'm not standing around waiting for an oven to cool down just so I can clean it. For me, the win is getting hot, crispy food on the table, even when everything else around me is chaotic. I use this more than my oven now, no question. I threw in cold roasted potatoes from the fridge. 6 minutes later, they came out crispy like I just made them. That 5-speed fan, it gives you control that most air fryers just don't. It doesn't just reheat, it revives. So you don't get sad, soggy texture, you get food that tastes fresh again. For leftovers, this completely crushes the microwave. Pizza, wings, even rice and protein. It brings them back to life without nuking the texture. The build feels solid, and the 6-quart capacity makes it actually useful for families. If I had to nitpick, I'd say the app is cool but not essential. So is it worth it? I think so. If you've been on the fence about air fryers, or you want one that actually is designed for everyday cooking, not just frozen snacks, the TurboBlaze is a great pick. It's a real tool for real kitchens, whether you're feeding kids, skipping takeout, or just trying to get dinner done in under 30 minutes. Under the hood, it's running a 1725 watt DC motor that's stronger and more precise than most AC motors you'll find at this price point. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, by the way. And yeah, it has built-in overheat protection and auto pause when you pull the drawer. It's not about bells and whistles, it's about speed, consistency, and getting better food with less effort. If you're short on time or just tired of soggy reheats, this actually makes a difference. Link to the exact model in the description. Let me know in the comments what you want me to try next. And big thanks to COSORI for sponsoring, and thanks for watching.